Hi guys and assalamu alaikum. So in today's vlog I'm going to be eating GDK, so German doner kebab, and I'm going to be reviewing it for you guys. So let's do this, let's eat it, review it, and then give you the final result. I've got my food now, I've got my German doner kebab. I went for the mega OG box meal. So I'm gonna get that out, eat it, and then review it for you guys. So I'm gonna take it out the bag. So my chips first. Got my sauces, some yogurt sauce, some spicy sauce. And then I've got my German doner kebab. And these are my spring rolls. So I've got my chips, I've got my OG kebab sandwich, it's mixed, so it's beef and it's chicken. And I've got my spring rolls, so one's beef and one's chicken. And obviously my sauces as well and my drink. So I'm gonna say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and I'm gonna go straight into this. Let's go. I'm gonna start with my spicy sauce, just like that. My chips. The sauce is quite tangy, quite spicy. I do like it. Wow. The chips are actually quite cold, but they're very soft. I'm gonna go straight onto the yogurt sauce. Let's see what that tastes like. I don't think it's for me because there's not much spice to it. It's actually quite thick and creamy, and I don't think it goes with the chips, but I will definitely try it with my spring rolls after. But I do like this spicy sauce. So I've had a lot of you people asking me about GDK and to do a review of it. So I'm doing this for you guys. Let's see what I think of it. So now I'm gonna go on to a mixed OG sandwich. Let's do this. So the inside of the sandwich is just like that. I'm gonna go straight into it. I don't think there's much sauce in it. It is quite dry. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get the rest of my sauce and I'm gonna put it in there. Wow. See now with sauce, it's much more juicy and it tastes a lot better. Wow. That's the inside of it. The actual bread isn't too thick and it's very soft as well. So together with the doner meat, it does go as a good combo. Wow. As you're getting towards the bottom of this, you can actually taste the mint sauce and it goes so good with the doner meat. Wow. Guys, I'm gonna go straight onto my spring rolls. I've got a chicken one and a beef one. Dip it in some mint sauce. That's the inside of it. So crispy, very meaty as well, which is what I like. And it's a good combo. The mint sauce with this tastes so good. I am absolutely loving this food. Now I'm going straight on to the next spring roll. I'm going to try this with some spicy chili. Again, very crispy and a lot inside as well. I love that. And with the spicy sauce, with that extra spice, it's nice. Wow. It's been such a long time that I had GDK and I forgot how good the food can be. Now after that spice, I need some of my Pepsi Max. So let's do this. Oh. So I'm going to carry on eating. So guys, I'm going to finish off eating and then I'm going to be back with you guys for the final review. Let's do this. Alhamdulillah for that amazing food. So we're going to go straight onto the review. Your chips, the standard chips, they went well with the spicy sauce. I did enjoy that, but obviously they weren't too good with the mint sauce. But your spring rolls were great with the mint sauce. That combo was good. As for the spring rolls were chunky, they were meaty, they were crispy as well, so they were really tasty. I enjoyed them. Obviously the chips were a bit cold, and I think that was due to me going to collect it and then bringing it back, so they kind of got cold on the way. As for the sandwich, the bread itself was soft. It went really well with the mixed meat. It wasn't too thick, so I enjoyed that. I just wish they had put some spicy sauce into it, because as you guys know, I do love my spice. But they did have some mint yogurts, but that did go well with it. So the price for all this was £12. So the OG box meal, including the drink, was 12 quid. So as you guys know, GDK can be a hit and miss. But today for myself, it was a hit. So I'm going to give GDK a rating of 8.5. So thank you very much for watching me, guys. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys in the next vlog. Khudafis.